Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Farel Firdaus Taufik with batch number 27023618892. And I will present my title Comparison of Smote and Gaussian copula for handling imbalanced dataset in KNN classification. First, introduction. First, imbalanced dataset cause poor detection of minority classes. And second, Smote interpolate minority samples but may create noisy data. Third, Gaussian copula preserve feature dependencies to generate realistic data. And last, our goal, compare Smote and Gaussian copula in KNN classification on credit card fraud data. We have three literary review. First, imbalanced data, one class dominate the other. And second, Smote interpolation based oversampling improve recall but may distort data. And third, the last one, Gaussian copula probabilistic model preserving correlation produce realistic synthetic data. For research question and hypothesis. First question, how effectively can Smote and Gaussian copula address class imbalance in the credit card fraud detection dataset? Second, to what extent do this method preserve the original minority class distribution? And third, last question, how do they synthetic data differences affect KNN classification performance? For the first hypothesis, both Smote and Gaussian copula improve minority class detection compared to the imbalanced baseline. Next, Gaussian copula better preserve data distribution and feature dependency than Smote. Third, Gaussian copula yield higher recall F1 score and AUC-ROC in KNN classification. Overall conclusion, Gaussian copula is expected to outperform Smote by generating more realistic data, preserving future relationship, and improving KNN performance. Next, methodology dataset. Create card fraud detection from Kaggle and 30 features. We have 4 steps. First, data pre-processing, cleaning and normalization. Second, apply Smote and Gaussian copula on training data. Third, training KNN on each dataset. And last, evaluate using precision recall F1 AUC-ROC confusion matrix. Next, dataset pre-processing. We process the raw dataset by eliminating any irrelevant or absent data, distinguishing the feature X from the label Y, normalizing the numerical feature and splitting the data into training and testing set. Next, oversampling technique. We employ two oversampling methods, Smote and Gaussian copula. Before using them, we initially identified the classes were majority and minority to determine which portion of the data need the oversampling process. Next, Smote. In our code, we implement Smote to address the disparity between the fraud minority and non-fraud for majority class. In recognizing that fraud class from class 1 is the minority class, we utilize Smote to create extra synthetic sample exclusively for this class. Next, Gaussian copula. In this project, we employ the Gaussian copula technique to produce synthetic sample for the minority class fraud. In contrast to Smote, which generates new sample by interpolating between current ones, Gaussian copula understand the statistical connection among all feature and subsequently create new synthetic data grounded in those connection. Classification. The KNN model is utilized to analyze the impact of various oversampling technique, Smote versus Gaussian copula, on the accuracy of fraud detection and to balance the predictive outcome across both classes. We have three expected outcome. First, Gaussian copula expected to achieve higher recall, F1 and AUC. Second, Smote improve detection but may reduce data fidelity. And last, result provide insight for choosing better oversampling method. Timeline and resources. We use for timeline. In first week we decide topic and research scope. Second week until fifth we wrote section 1 and 2, and the next 2 week we wrote section 3 and build of the system. Next 2 week again we complete section 4 and final build of the system. For week 10 refine content and make conclusion, and the last 2 week we submit paper to conference. And for the resource we use for Gaussian copula we use Copulas and Smogan. For Smote we use imlearn, and last we use Python, Panda, sklearn, CDT, NumPy, Matplotlib, and last Seaborn. So the conclusion, we compare Smote and Gaussian copula for imbalance data handling, focus on KNN performance in fraud detection. Last, aim to improve understanding of synthetic data on classification. Thank you so much. That's from me. Bye bye.